Welcome to our podcast, where we believe education should be engaging and enlightening. If you're looking to enhance your understanding of economics and personal productivity, you're in the right place. Subscribe now for free and become part of our community focused on learning together. Let's dive into today's lesson about time as a valuable asset, exploring how to use it wisely and effectively. Time is the most valuable asset you will ever have. Unlike money, which can be earned, saved, and invested, time is a finite resource. You can't regain the hours that slip away. Each day, everyone has the same 24 hours. How you choose to allocate that time can shape your achievements and opportunities. Economists refer to this concept as the scarcity of time. Each decision on how to spend an hour means you cannot spend it elsewhere. This leads us to the notion of opportunity cost, which is the value of what you forego when you choose one option over another. For example, if you decide to watch television for an hour, that's an hour that could have been spent reading, exercising, or pursuing a hobby. Understanding that time is scarce is crucial in recognizing its true value and makes it apparent why using your time wisely is foundational to a fulfilling life. How do you use your time? Are you investing it or simply spending it? Just as you can spend or invest your money, the same applies to your time. When we talk about spending time, we refer to activities that provide immediate satisfaction. Watching a movie, for instance, might offer fun right now. However, investing time is different. It's about engaging in activities that yield long-term benefits. Imagine spending an hour learning a new skill like coding. Though it may seem less enjoyable than watching something entertaining, in the long run, that skill could open up job opportunities and significantly increase your earning potential. This difference between spending and investing time reshapes how we view our daily activities, encouraging a balance where we enjoy leisure while prioritizing growth. One of the most important principles in that regard is the power of compound returns on time. Much like how money can earn interest, time investment can lead to exponential growth in knowledge and skills. Suppose you dedicate just 30 minutes a day to learning a new language. After a year, that amounts to 180 hours of learning. The returns compound when you begin to build upon that knowledge. Each minute spent studying leads you to more efficient learning as you lay a strong foundation. In essence, small yet consistent investments of time can lead to remarkable achievements, whether in fitness, education, or skill mastery. This emphasizes the importance of starting early and maintaining consistency. Now, you might wonder how this connects to productivity. Let's clarify the difference between being busy and being productive. Productivity is all about achieving meaningful results, while being busy can often mean filling your time with tasks that amount to little overall. Economists analyze productivity to determine why some people or countries excel while others struggle. Remarkably, even slight improvements in efficiency can lead to significant results over time. If you can improve your productivity by just 1% each week, this compounds to an impressive 62% improvement in a year. Learning techniques in time management, prioritizing your tasks, and minimizing distractions can dramatically elevate your productivity landscape. As you navigate through your tasks, remember that effective time management is about maximizing your time by planning ahead. This involves setting priorities and creating schedules that not only help you make progress but also eliminate activities that waste valuable time. The Pareto principle, often known as the 80-20 rule, states that approximately 80% of your results come from just 20% of your efforts. Identifying and focusing on high-impact activities is essential. Proper time management isn't about doing more but rather about doing the right things. It's about learning to say no to activities that do not serve your goal while saying yes to those that propel you forward. It's a skill worthy of development that pays dividends in long-term success. However, we shouldn't neglect the importance of leisure and rest. Investing time in growth is vital, but so too is the time we allocate for relaxation. When you take the time to rest, to sleep, and to recharge, you're not simply wasting hours. You're maintaining your health, boosting creativity, and enhancing productivity. This balance is essential. Even the most industrious individuals know that to perform at their best, they must allow time for recovery. This interconnectivity between productivity and rest is well documented and is commonly referred to as the productivity rest cycle. Just like athletes require days off for optimal performance, anyone working long hours must schedule breaks to maintain peak productivity. Then there's decision making, which invariably involves time. The input of time influences every choice. The time we take to analyze options can either enhance our decisions or lead to what's known as analysis paralysis, where overthinking results in no decision at all. The opposite, hurried decisions, often culminate in mistakes that waste even more time. Hence, the art of effective decision making lies in finding a middle ground. It's about gathering enough information to make sound decisions but not spending an excessive amount of time doing so. This concept is often summed up as satisficing. It means reaching a decision that is satisfactory enough instead of striving for perfection, which often saves both time and reduces stress. Understanding this skill can save you not only time but also mental energy along your journey. Another fascinating aspect of time is its role as a measure of value. Time, being a universal and scarce resource, often serves as a yardstick for evaluating value. We frequently hear statements such as, "This task is worth my time," or "This purchase saved me hours of labor." How we earn is directly related to how we value time. If your hourly wage is a set amount, any task that saves you hours becomes measurable in economic terms. This framework allows you to assess decisions effectively. For instance, if a purchase can save 3 hours of work versus what you might earn in those hours, it clearly illustrates the value of time savings. Understanding the intrinsic value of your time leads to better choices about delegating tasks or prioritizing activities in your life. This brings us to our final point, living intentionally. Recognizing time as your most valuable asset encourages you to live deliberately. It makes you question your activities. Does this align with my goals? Is this how I want to be spending my time? The lesson today illustrates that time is finite, influential, and connected to everything we achieve. Your choices regarding how you utilize your time today lay the groundwork for your future opportunities and quality of life. By grasping concepts like opportunity cost, returns on investment, productivity, and intentional living, you can maximize your time and create a meaningful, accomplished life. Remember, money can be earned, lost, and regained, but time is one resource you can never retrieve once it's spent. To wrap up, we've explored why time is considered your most valuable asset and how understanding its value is crucial for making informed choices. Recognizing opportunity costs, differentiating between spending time and investing time, and grasping the principles of productivity will empower you to optimize how you manage your hours. Balancing work and rest, while making decisions efficiently, provides a solid foundation. Time is a universal measure of value, and understanding it can enhance how you prioritize your life. Ultimately, living with intention when it comes to your time will lead to a more fulfilling and productive existence. Thank you for joining us today in our deep dive into the value of time and productivity. We hope you found insights that resonate with you and will help you make better choices moving forward. Stay tuned for more engaging discussions on crucial economic concepts that can empower your personal growth. Don't forget to subscribe to ensure you never miss an episode. Until next time, remember that every moment counts, so make the most of your time.